Welcome to EDU World Space.
We're given a function, and we're asked to use part 1 of the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus to find the derivative of this function. The function is y equals the integral from the sine of x to 1 of square root of 1 plus t squared dt. Recall what part 1 of the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus says. This says that if a function little f is continuous on a closed interval, and the function big F, which is the integral from one end of that closed interval to x of little f, then the derivative of big F, f prime of x, is little f of x. So, first of all, it is true that the square root of 1 plus t squared is continuous for all values of t. We can also use integral properties to rewrite this as the opposite of the integral from 1 to the sine of x of the square root of 1 plus t squared dt. And now using part 1 of the fundamental theorem, it follows that g prime, not g prime, but I guess I would say y prime of x well, this is the opposite of the derivative of the integral, which, using the chain rule, this is going to be the derivative of the integral from 1 to x of the square root of 1 plus t squared, which is simply the square root of 1 plus x squared, times the derivative of the inside sine of x, which is cosine of x, which we could also rewrite as instead of 1 plus x squared, we substitute sine x for x here. So this is square root of 1 plus sine squared of x. And so this is negative cosine of x times the square root of 1 plus sine squared of x.